Hello my beautiful people, now welcome back to my channel. Namu again Sandra Inogie, aka the life too short to do over the thing. If today na the first time wey you see my video, welcome to this channel and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you don't see my video before, welcome back to my channel. Well, this topic today now about one guy when they call Freedom Ina. When we say Sokoto High Court sentenced to 10 years imprisonment on Monday for a part when he played for 2019, him and two other guys, when he basically they dupe one guy 1,830,250 naira. These guys, so their posers say they be agents for some companies for UAE, that they give visa or that they work for some company for UAE. The person that when they dupe now no say these people so they not even they work they not even they work for those companies, so the person give them money like that, they dupe and they can't run. So now 2020 so now they can't sentence the guy. So the two people when be say follow him for this crime, they run, they never see them. Now this one now will come down. Now this one will come take us down to the main reason why I do this video. As an agent, if you know say you no go fit do visa for somebody, let the person know. Because these people so wanna they dupe this money, wanna they collect money when people wanna they do visa, na no fit do am. These people so some of these people they borrow money. They go borrow the money. Some go even sell their family land. Some of them go sell their family property just to come out for the country. Some of them go even say everything when they get to come out. Because the country need they provide what they need for them. So then they go come find agents. You as a human being, when you get conscience, you can still collect that money for the person hand. You no go still do waiting he asked me you do. You can collect the money, you can do okay. Because na 2019 this thing happen. Na 2020 they can sentence him. You can't do okay for that few months. When you know say this person so. When you know say this person so, now your own money now you carry. You dupe the guy. At the fair they talk and say, if you get money in a genuine way, it's more better than when you get money with all those ways, all those wuru stuff. Because God go ask you later. Even if you say you did okay for it, but God will ask you later. Now that one I was supposed to think about. I know say they get genuine agent. Yes, they get genuine agent. And also, inside that people will be say they be real genuine agent, no rich. You know go even reach. A small number, now they go be. The fake agents, now many pass. You get some video when I watched some years ago for Dubai. When it be say some of our agents, they go promise these people say if you reach there you go see job. If you reach there you go see this job. Now this amount of money now be say you go collect for salary, you go see this job. With hope. The person go come gather money, go come give you. You come some go even do the visa. You can't reach there. You can't find out say not be waiting they even tell you. Not be you even they see. I see that video when I watch. I see some people they cry say they no get job, they outside. They sit down. They shout say they no get job. This is not the promises when we say our agent don't make already for Nigeria. When I no get conscience. They don't make already say if you reach, you go see this one, you go see that one, you go see this job, see the amount when they pay you, go there. Under like even they give you hope, say under like 3 months, you don't do this one, you don't do that one. Only to reach there, financing a lie. No job like that. Nothing like that. Now only when you say you can't get money, when you reach there, you can't find somebody who will go find job for you. But all those promises when we say they don't make already for house, not be waiting you they see. So we can't this street. Now the work of our agent. Man, I see they get heart, man, I get conscience. These are my brothers. And our brothers be there. Forget tribe, forget religion in it. These are your brothers. Now your brothers be this. Now your brothers. More no they do like say, if you not get this money by all means, now this one. More na see they think about these people when they say they give una money, when they give una this money. More na see they think about their part. If you be say the country really good, because not the only Nigerian agents they do, and they see some people Tanzania, Uganda, all those agents they. Good agents they was I talked before. Good agent they, as I tell you now, so you go see them. But some agents they worse. Immediately they collect money for your hand. That is the last. They don't get anything when they say they won't do with you. Even if they won't give you the job, safe, they won't even make sure the visa they have. I never watch some video where say some girls they cry for help for all those Middle East, these Arab countries. Then I never watched it. Now what? Now the hand of our agents, now their handwork. Some agents not even they let those girls. They know what they won't go even do for that place. Some agents, as they get heart rich, they go wait in the day where we say these girls. They go fly out from the country. Before they will come, they tell them, say, see your visa. That they hand over the visa to them. When they see the video, those are our girls that they cry. Some say they don't even come Nigeria. Some of them they never even come. Some still there. These agents so that they collect money for these people where be say these people so that they collect money for the boss hand. That they collect money for their hand. Them they'll constantly collect money for Nigeria. For your hand. You can't read there. You can't say the boss they tell you say I buy you or in pay for. Some of them go even reach there. The boss go they tell them say in pay for as in I buy you. In buy you from your agent. Because the agent don't take big money on top of your head. That time you will they try to won't contact the agent. That is the end. They're not going even contact. They're not going even want do anything with you again. They're not going even want do anything with you. That only you now will come face the music. Only you now, because I say you don't pay some money for house, you will come try to cover up those money. Some people go even borrow money from some for meeting or all those just to travel. That time you go they call the agent not go they pick your call again. You go come they tell you say manage now, manage, because he knows say if you come out, the person that will pay that money go either he return the money. Or now you go buy ticket for the person to go back house. Now they make and they'll say me you manage. The person will come they go through hell. They not go even know waiting how it happen. Now these are our agents. Now they do those things. Some will even die for them. Some will even abuse them. Now make up they see this video. Some people go say you don't know before you they go. You know some people they know. Some people they know now lie when they lie give them. Man they blame those people. Now read through that they talk. Some they in good place, but some now worse. If you see their situation, it worse. Now the hand of our agent. Now their hand, now what thing that they do. Now what thing that they like to do. Agent, then some of the agent, they care whether you live or you die. Immediately as they collect money for your hand, they believe that their contract with you is over. But not. They say. All these guys when they say they come house, when they say these agents they lie, they give, maybe they took their money, can't carry them go put for slavery, modern slavery. If they come back, say they can't really they point out their agents, say see this one, see who carry me go. You know, say many people go there prison. Many of these agents they go there prison. Not be everything be money, not be everything be money. You carry your own country person when you know say that place where they can't so na danger. You can't go there, may go. You go explain things given better. If he agree say you won't go, when you don't tell her here, fine. If he be say you don't know, let him know. Say see what how it happen. Now so, and if may agent as in may government look into these things. If you be fake agent, they really better jail or just jail, because this is when they do so now modern slavery. They carry you, they collect money on top of people head. Now modern slavery. I beg all the agents, I know say good agents they around. I beg, wanna use conscience. Now people treat them, because this money when they give, some people when people say they not even they do the visa for these people. So this money, so when the person go say everything give you, say me you take do visa, you thief money, you collect money, so it cause suicide. They cause suicide. When person think about say he don't borrow money, if he cause suicide, I beg, more do the right thing. I beg. Now this one be my take inside. I also wanna like, share this video. Also, man, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Wanna stay safe. Till next time. Bye.